Okay, so the probability of simple events. There are a few, not terms really, but I should really fix that. There are certain things that you need to know, so certain objects, if you will, that you need to know that exist within this topic. So spinners. Spinners look like the following. Um, Usually there's a stick in the middle to hold the pointer, and you can spin the pointer so that it lands on a certain spot. Okay, so this we usually refer to as the pointer. And the sections on the spinner are either numbers or colors. So die, or plural dice, okay? You should have seen a dice before. There is also a separate one called a loaded die or dice. A loaded die tends to have one side heavier. So then it leans on a certain side more. I'll jump to the deck of 52 playing cards first. If you've never seen one of these, I'll bring one out to show you. It's got hearts, clubs, diamonds, and spades, and the card labels go from ace to king, as listed down there. So the last term you need to know is the expected number. The expected number is how many times will the event successfully occur. So previously we mentioned that the experimental probability is the number of successful outcomes over the total number of trials. We can apply that to all of these different situations, given that we know the different things. So a spinner is divided equally into 5 sections, colored red, blue, green, white, and black. If you're not entirely sure on what each thing looks like, I would recommend you drawing it. So I'll try and draw it relatively evenly. So we have red, blue, green, white, and black. And it says, find the probability of a pointer landing on the blue section. So blue like that, okay? Because the section's divided into 5, our possible outcomes is out of 5. Blue takes up one of these sections, so it's out of 1. We also have to write down that what type of probability we are trying to find. We wanted the blue section, so let's just write blue. I might just do this. Hopefully that's pretty straightforward. Another one, a fair die is rolled once. Find the probability of an even number. Now, if you're not sure what even means that we have numbers which are even, so 2, 4, and 6 in this case. These numbers are even, whereas the numbers 1, 3, and 5 are odd. Now, the probability of an even number, remember we have 3 different numbers there, so the probability of an even number popping up would be 3, and if you have a look, the total we have 6 numbers, so it's 3 out of 6. Now remember we have to simplify everything if possible, so 3 out of 6 is equal to a half. From previous experience, a manufacturer knows that a box of matches will contain fewer than 47 matches with a probability of 0.025. If the manufacturer has a shipping carton of 5,000 boxes, how many would be expected to contain fewer than 47 matches? Now, this is where we were talking about expected number. The way we work it out is we write down the probability of success multiplied by the total that we have. So the probability of success we've mentioned is 0.025 on the question. and this is out of 5,000 boxes. Now, you can use a calculator here if you like. I'm going to do it by hand. 0.025 is 25 out of 1,000 times 5,000. And then 1,000 goes into 5,000 5 times, and you simply multiply the two and get 125. What this means is out of 5,000 boxes, we can have 125 boxes that have fewer than 47 matches.